Actor Sonu Sood recently came under the scanner after income tax officials raided his premises and tax evasion of Rs 20 crore was reported. Reacting to the allegation, Sonu Sood issued a statement on social media and said that every rupee from his foundation will be used for the needy. He stated that he was busy attending to guests hinting at the IT officials for the past 4 days and is back to serve everyone. For the uninitiated, Sonu, whose noble efforts during the COVID crisis won huge praise, was raided for 4 days in a row by the Income Tax Department, which alleges that he evaded taxes worth over Rs 20 crore. According to sources, the tax raids were launched to investigate a deal between Sonu Sood's company and a Lucknow-based real estate firm. Later, the tax department put out a statement saying Sonu Sood's non-profit Sood Charity Foundation, set up in July last year, collected donations of over Rs 18 crore till April this year, out of which Rs 1.9 crore has been spent on relief work and Rs 17 crore has been lying unused. It also said the organization raised Rs 2.1 crore from overseas donors using a crowdfunding platform in violation of the law. The ruling Shiv Sena in Maharashtra and the Aam Aadmi Party AAP have questioned the timing of the income tax searches and have linked them to his recent tie-up with AAP for an education mentorship program. But the BJP has said there is no link between Mr. Sood's tie-up with AAP and the searches.